Good morning, scholars. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Students, lists are used to group related pieces of information together so that they are clearly associated with each other and easy to read. Lists are good from a structural point of view as they help create a well structured, more accessible, easy to maintain document. So today we are going to discuss that how can we create lists in the HTML. There are two types of lists in HTML, ordered list and unordered list. Ordered list, they are also known as numbered list, and they are used when a set of items in the list have to be placed in a specific order. First of all, see, when you have to write a program for creating an ordered list in the HTML, how it is to be done. In the beginning of the program, you have to write HTML tag for starting a new HTML program. Then after that, head tag you have to use for assigning the heading, title, for assigning the title to the web page. After that, there is another tag. This is body tag. Body tag we are using because the contents which we want to display, it must be written in between the body tags. After that, we have to use OL tag. OL, it stands for ordered list. In this ordered list means numbered list. Ordered list we are making here, in which we will list the number of fruits like apple, orange, strawberry, etc. When you are going to create a list like this, you have to use one more tag. It is li. Li tag. In this way, by using li tag, you can add the items to the list. So after using li tag, you have to write the name of item like apple, orange, strawberry, etc. After that, you have to close this ol tag by putting here slash. And once you have finished your program, then you have to go to file menu. You have to select save as option. Then you have to give here file name list.html where you want to save. If you want to save on the desktop, you can select this desktop. After that, click on save button. So in this way you will be saving this program. Once you have written this program, then click on cross button to close this. Then go to desktop, right click on the list.html and then run this program. Look on the screen. This is the output of that program which we have saved just now. Here you can see this is known as ordered list, in which all the items, they are written in numbered form like 1, 2, 3. So this is all about ordered list. Now I am telling you about unordered list. For this, in the Notepad, you have to create another program for unordered list. I have already created an program. This is, first of all, see, this is unordered list where items are written like this without numbers. So I am telling you how to make unordered list. Go to Notepad first of all for typing a program for making unordered list. I have already made one program in Notepad like this. There is only one difference. In ordered list, you will use here OL tag in place of UL. But when you are making unordered list, you have to use UL tag, which stands for unordered list. After that, you have to list the items by using LI tag like this. The rest, all the tags which you have used here, those are same. Now, if you want to run this program, but before running, you have to save it. Go to file menu, choose save as option, give file name as I have already saved with unordered.html. So I am directly going to open this. See, I am showing you the output of this program. So in this way, you can create ordered list as well as unordered list in the HTML by using UL tag and OL tag. So students, for today, only this much. That's all for today. I hope you have learned all the steps properly. Thank you so much.
freeintromusic.com layout track.